This thing ain't easy. It's your boy itzescotv, and today we are back with another video. So we are back with another episode of the E46 drift build. So today the plan is to sort of to strip the interior and then install the quick release steering wheel. Either one, well, either or both. Hopefully both. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So first we're gonna go to TJ's house because we gotta go meet TJ because he's getting some wheels for his car. So we're gonna go pick them up and then we're gonna go to the E46 and then go from there. Really, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down how you've been finding the build so far. I know it's not been much, but you know, I'm trying to get more into it, trying to do as much as I can. Obviously I've got to get more parts and stuff like that, so yeah. But if you want to see the rest of the videos, other videos, there should be a card either here or here, so just click on the playlist and I should get my socials from on the screen, somewhere here, and let's go. So we're back with the E46s. I know I said that we were going to get the wheels to TJ, but we're still waiting on the phone call, so we're going to try to start with the wheel. So this is the wheel I got. So I went with a Cody steering wheel. It's purple stitching and it's leather as well, so look at that. It was quite cheap to be fair, and yeah, just, as you can tell, the theme, more purple and it's black. And then we went with a Kyle Star quick release, again just cheap because you know, budget build and that. And then we went with the Kyle Star hub as well, so yeah, we're just gonna get into it really. Alright, so when you're touching the steering wheel, you always want to make sure you disconnect the battery. If you don't, there's a chance that the airbag might go off in your face and that'll probably hurt, so let's just reduce that risk. So best thing to do really is just disconnect the negative terminal and it should be okay. So that's done. To be fair, sometimes you're just best to cover it so it doesn't touch anything like that. So that's done, and then I can't steer. First you have to take the horn out and the airbag. What you want to do is there's two pins part of the back. You kind of want to try to push it at the same time, and I just lost it, so I can't use the hand.
I'll do this side.
I'll push that in. Yeah, and then pull it, and it should find its way out like that. So there you go. It's been removed. You can either do this with 2 Allen keys like I did, or some like tiny screwdrivers. And then now what you want to do is release the airbag. So if you get if you get yourself a little flathead, you just pop these tabs up like that, and then it should just pull off. If anything, just pry it off with the screwdriver like that. There you go. So there's the airbag out, and then you want to get, it looks like it's going to be a 17, so let's go get that. You could either do this with a gun, but I don't have one, or just use a long ratchet. So you just want to take that out. Don't want to take it all the way though. So to get it off, just pull up like that. Usually sometimes you have to bash your sides and then it'll come out, but it's better to leave the bolt in or not, depending on what it is, because it'll just fly in your face. So yeah, you want to reduce the risk of that. So remove the bolt, and I think the clock spring is still, yeah, so make sure to unplug everything from the clock spring that is connected to the wheel, because you don't want to break anything. There we go. So you just want to pull it off. So there we go, the wheel's off. You want to make sure as well the clock spring is as straight as possible. You don't want to make sure it doesn't spin anywhere, because if it snaps, they're quite expensive, so just make sure you're careful with that. Unfortunately, we don't have a horn because the steering wheel didn't come with one, so I need to buy one. And then we don't have a wire for it, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to make a wire and then connect it to the last pin. So really and truly, what you want to do is you want to find out where the horn earths out on the steering wheel, which is, so for me it's there, and it goes to the last pin on this, which is on there. And then you would get the wire, feed it through the hole. This is the top, because you sometimes will have like a little dot or a hole to show where the top is. So place that on there, like so. You would feed it through. For this one, they've give you like an earth, so you'll put the spacer on there, like so. And then you would put one of these wires on there, which should earth it, and then the other wire with the live, and then you've got the connectors there, which then will bridge onto the other end of the quick release through here, and then you'll put the two wires through there and connect to your horn. But again, I don't have one, so that's for another video. So what we're going to do is we're just going to tighten this up. You're meant to torque it, but we don't have a torque wrench at the moment, because you know. So
I do.
Huh?
I do.
Do you have it? Do we have it now?
No.
Exactly. So you just want to tighten it, make sure it's tight. There we go, that will do. So then we're going to put the first half of the quick release, so just take it off. So we've got that. So like I said, the bridge from these wires, that wire there to here, is the two screws, or however they do different connectors. So yeah, so what you want to get is, so it should be the top. They should have a little thingy, hole or something like that, but I don't think this one does. So I'm just gonna guess. I'd imagine this is the top. So we'll line it up like that. Let me just double check actually. Yeah, so on here it shows the top. So that pin there. Alright, so figured out, like I said, it should have a little dot or something, or you just get it up to the old, well, to the quick release, and you'll figure it out. If it comes in instructions, then you know, use your instructions. If not, if they're in Japanese like mine, then good luck. Just use the pictures. But yeah, so I'm gonna put that in now, so it's that way. So line it up. Well, now get your little screws and then screw it in. So when you're tightening, you want to make sure you do it. You don't want to do it like one after the other. Well, in order. You want to do it in like a sort of sequence, just so there's a even distribution of tightness. So yeah, may not mean anything to you, but you know, one of them ones. Okay, now they're all tight. You want to put your quick release, other half of the quick release on. There we go, like that. And then now it's time for the wheel install. Ready? It's cold, dude. Fucking hell.
No, disconnect the battery, so I can't put the wheel on game, right?
So let's put these in there. So what we have to do now is just line up again. So there's the top. So this is how you know there's a top. So what we have to do is literally just line it up again. Okay, so now the wheel is on and it looks so good. I can't lie to you, it looks so good. What we're gonna do is cut the B-roll quickly. So we're back now. Like I said, I don't have a horn, so I'm gonna have to buy a horn and then wire it in, which shouldn't take me long. So guys, now when you turn the car on, so I started the car, the airbag light, the way I've done it, the airbag light won't go off, but there is a way to get rid of the airbag light. Some kits come with some wires and all resistor or something like that to you know, bridge it out and then just delete it basically. We don't have one, probably can make one, but I'll be right, I'm not bothered. It doesn't bother me. The quick release on the MS5, the thing is on as well. The airbag, do you mean that? The airbag light's on as well, so yeah, it doesn't bother me. But for now, it's all good. So we've got the steering wheel on. So I think there's a bit of like extra movement and I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna tighten it and see what's going on, but hopefully it should be alright. Now after this, what we're gonna do is start just stripping the interior. I think what I'm gonna do is take the rear seats out. I don't know whether I'm gonna take the carpet out today because I might not have time, or I don't know what I'm gonna do in general. I'll see. Also, if anyone is interested, if any of you guys want the old steering wheel, let me know. Just drop me a DM. I'm gonna sell it, to be fair. It should be on Facebook Market or eBay or whatever, so yeah. But if you want it, let me know. There is a few like marks on there, like just be aware, but that's all it is, to be fair. So if you want it, it's yours. Just send me a DM or comment down and we'll sort something out. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do really is just, you know, sort this out because it's kind of on the piss. So I'm gonna put that out and then we're gonna start stripping the interior. That looks a little bit better. So yeah. So I think what we're gonna do first is we're gonna strip the seats out. So we're gonna strip the front seats out. So let's do that. For obvious reasons, we're gonna put the seats back in because, you know, I don't have any seats at the moment. So yeah, I do just want to clarify as well, anything that comes out of this that's not broken or useful, it is for sale. So again, just drop me a DM or whatever, or comment down. It will probably end up being a Facebook Market. If you're interested, it's yours. So guys, the two front nuts have been taken out and then the two rear bolts have been taken out, and then it's just this last bolt here, which is a struggle to get to. I don't know why they're doing it like this, but yeah, literally I had to try and stuff my spanner in there through there and then undo it like that, and I'm trying to figure out how to undo it by hand because I don't have a ratchet spanner, unfortunately. So bear with me guys. Should be done soon. Just yeah, I don't know why German, you know what, fuck German shit. Fuck BMW, don't know why he did it, but fuck you, fuck you.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so now we're all out, seats out. I realised I'm an idiot and I forgot that I had to lift up the seat. So if you look in here, so for my one, it's not the electronic movement, it's a handle. If you pull this, it should send the seat forward, and all you have to do is just go through there, and then yeah, that's out. So now what we're gonna do is just take the other side out and yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, a tip as well, yeah. When you take the seat out, make sure to take the battery out before you unwire anything. So yeah, and I had to, just for like easy access, take the steering wheel off. If you don't have that option, then you're probably gonna struggle. But yeah, so let's just get into the other side. Alright guys, so now both rear seats are out and this is how it's looking so far. So focus there. So we've got, honestly, it's not as dirty as I thought it would be. I found a bit of money as well, it's like 11p, but you know, yeah, it's not as dirty as I thought it would be, to be fair. But yeah, so now what we're gonna do is literally we're just gonna start stripping the rear seats. So yeah. So guys, now the rear seats are out. Look at all this, look how dirty it is. Is that cake? Like, oh gosh, cake there. There's a bit of money, bit of Lego pieces down there. So yeah, this is how it's looking right now. Let me get out of the car. This is what we're dealing with right now, to be fair. So yeah, so now what we're gonna do is take all of this out. So let's get straight to it. Okay. Alright, so by the looks of it, it looks like there's a bracket back there, which is stupid because why would you put a bracket there like that? But we're just gonna carry on. I don't know why guys, but I'm trying to do some research here, but every time I look for this car, yeah, all of them only have 2 headrests, but mine is 3 for some reason, and I don't know why, and it's kind of annoying because I just want it out, that's it. But like, I don't know, again, I don't know, I think this is connected, but we're just gonna have to do what we can, while we can. But, okay.
3 weeks later.
Alright guys, so I've spent the last, I don't know how long, like a good while, just trying to get that backrest out, and I finally done it. So there's nowhere, I couldn't find anywhere yet that had this. But if you have an E46, yeah, and it has 3 headrests and doesn't fold, if you pop it up from here and then pop it up from the other side, you've got 4 holes. So you got 4 Torx bits that you've got to get to, and they are a pain, I'll tell you that much. I had to come through this side, like forcing the backrest out, and then try and get in a little, where's my little ratchet? Yeah, getting a little ratchet like this that I didn't realise I had, and then just trying to get it in, and yeah, so now it's finally out. It is dark, as you can see. We finally got it out. So we've got the rear seats out, we've got the front seats out. They're obviously going to go back in. We've got 2 side trims on the rear. They're going as well, so they're up for sale as well. Next, what we're going to do is we're gonna, so there's all like sound deadening and stuff in that. We're going to strip all of that. We're going to take the door cards off. I think we'll maybe keep the fronts, I don't know. We're going to take the carpet out. Fuck it, I might as well take the carpet out. Actually, you know what, let me know, should I take the carpet out? Should I take the center console out and maybe the dash? Let me know, because I'm still thinking like I could make it into a full drift build and go from there, or I could make it into a dailyable drift build. I don't know, but it's a BMW, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't know, there's still stuff that's got to be done for this, so we'll see. But Most likely it'll just be a straight drift car. That's probably wrong. I'll probably not doing that anyways, but we'll see. So then, what else we got to do? We've got to strip the boot. We'll strip the boot, and then we'll strip the parcel shelf, and we'll go from there. The headliner, I don't know whether I'm going to take that out or not, but I'll see. All these trim sides, the B pillars are going to come out, the A pillars are going to come out. The headliner, I don't know. C pillars are coming out. Headliner, yeah, again, I don't know. But then, when I think about it, with the pillars out, they're probably not coming down, other than it being kept on by the little handles. But we'll see. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Just let me know. If this is the end of the video, I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you think about the series. If you haven't noticed throughout the video, some cards will have popped up telling you or showing you the other videos, so make sure to give them a like as well. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down what you guys think of the series. Comment down what you want to see next regarding the series or just in general. There should be some bits coming up soon, so yeah. And with that, I think we're out. Stay blessed. Peace.
Escobar, 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 Escobar. I got profits like I'm Escobar. Escobar, Escobar. Chain stay shining like a shooting star. Escobar, Escobar. Call me El Padrino like I'm Escobar. Escobar, Escobar. Chain stay shining.